This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Sharon. Popular Martin Ray floor plan by Divosta Homes set on a private water and preserve view lot in Sandhill Preserve. This residence offers an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and an office/den. Special features include tray ceilings, crown and decorative molding, 8 interior doors, built-in shelving west/electric fireplace, large cinder island west/quartz, gas range, stainless appliances, butler's pantry west/glass front cabinets, lighting and wine refrigerator, laundry room west/utility sink and upper cabinets for extra storage, master bedroom custom closet system, plantation shutters, pendant lights and fans, dimmer switches, and fully landscaped west/exterior landscape lighting. Enjoy the expanded lanai west/upgraded pavers and panoramic screen while relaxing in the heated saltwater pool and enjoy views of South Creek and tropical preserve beyond. Watch the varied Florida birds, bald eagle, giant blue heron, sandhill crane just to name a few. The view from the spacious lanai is a true natural Florida setting not often found in a newer community. Sandhill Preserve is a gated community, grounds care included and a fabulous clubhouse for those that want to meet new friends. Everything from fitness and tennis, to a heated resort-style pool, firepit, and barefoot bar area plus an on-site activities director. Located within Palmer Ranch, Sandhill Preserve has convenient access to Siesta Key, Nokomis Beach, the Legacy Bike Trail, A-rated Sarasota School District, Costco, and the YMCA. Enjoy resort-style living with everything else just minutes away. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Sharon at 941-993-3388.